What's good? It's been a minute, more thrills, probably like 3 weeks or so, but today I'm just gonna make a video of me riding on my bike. I'm late to work right now. It's like 10:30. I gotta be there at 10:45, so it's just a video of me riding to work for the first time on my bike. Bro, it's low-key kind of cold. It's like that beautiful fall season to where it's not cold but it's not hot. Everything just feels mysterious and beautiful. I love it. No cap. Woohoo! Starting the day off right, baby. Look how beautiful it is, man. Yo, honestly, I haven't rode my bike in a couple, like since my last video. Other than that, I did go to like a car meet and I did record some footage and stuff like that, but I'm not sure if I want to upload it. If anybody is in like Georgia area, bruh, comment below so we can just link, make more content. But there was a Discord that this girl had invited me to that had like a lot of people in Georgia in it, so I might just join the Discord and see what that's about. There goes the local high school. Hopefully nobody's watching this video that went to that school. Can I just be transparent right now, bro? I just hope everybody have a blessed day, bro. Like, get up and go achieve anything that you want. There's so much possibilities out here. There's so much money. There's so much vacation spots you can go to. So many food joints you can eat at. It's like, it really puts you in awe about how beautiful life is and what you can really do. So never limit yourself to where you're growing up at. Never limit yourself to the situation that you're in right now, because I promise you it can change. You just got to be willing to do something about it. Honestly, I kind of want to talk to y'all about life. Like right now I'm in a moment of life, bro, where I just want to change everything. I'm ready to elevate. I'm ready to move forward and become a better version of myself. One thing that I noticed, that there's a lot of people that will talk about things that they want to do, but then they never do it. So I want to be the one person that showcases, you know, to all of my supporters out there. I think I got like, what, 180 followers now, somewhere around there. I'm thankful for each and every one of y'all, because this is just the beginning of everything. I kind of want to make like car content, but not, I want to do everything with thrills. That's why I named my channel Mar Thrills. Like, yes, I want to make more bike content, but I want to do everything with thrills. Like, you know, one day y'all see me in a squirrel suit jumping off a mountain. Another day, like y'all see me, you know, just doing just ridiculous for no reason.
It's a shootout on the streets of Chicago at point blank range.
Because I feel like that's what life is about. Like, you feel alive when you have that thrill feeling, when it feels like wow, am I really doing this, and why am I doing this? Like the same feeling that you get going 180 down the highway, down the E-way, is the same feeling that I want to get in every aspect of my life. I always get that high, that adrenaline. It feels, I don't know, I just like it. I can't speak for everybody, but I like it. There's mad traffic every day. But yeah, like, I kind of want this to be like a whole bunch of type of fly shit. That's what I want this channel to be, a whole bunch of fly shit. But I want to keep dropping bike content until we get to that point. I'll work with him right there on the right. Alright, I'm here. Finally made it to work. Oh shit. Now everybody knows where I work. Amazon. I'm one of the people that drop off all your packages anytime you order something. Alright, let's go into this building right quick so I can clock in. Almost forgot my keys. I don't even know if I could record it here, but who cares? This is what I do every day. Anytime you like order something off Amazon, I'm probably who dropping it off. R3s.